Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this video we're going to talk a little bit about our Slimline microwave series. I've got here next to me the CD58 model, but we've also got the CT54, 55, 56 and 57 models. What's the difference between CD and CT, I hear you ask? Well, the CD model has here this handy dial in the control panel. The CT models all come with touch buttons instead. We've also got a few color variations, but other than that, they're all pretty much the same. And the great news there is that means they all come with our air fry mode built in. So they all have that fantastic top-down authentic air fryer fan, which means you can cook up to temperatures of 220 degrees centigrade. And with a 27-litre capacity, that means you can cook a whole roast chicken using the air fry mode in these microwaves. They also all come with the air fry basket accessory included. They also have 4 cooking modes in total, so that's microwave, convection, grill, and the all-important air fry mode. You're still getting 1,000 watts of power, which means these microwaves, even though they're slimline, they're still perfect for large batch family cooking. So that's it, just an introduction to our Slimline microwave series. I hope you found this video useful. Check out our series on other microwaves as well if you want more information about our products. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.